lot of eye candy pigments, and it's not an advertisement for eye candy. I just happened to want to do a bloom, and I mixed up my bloom paints over a year ago, and they're all chunky, and I had a lot of eye candy pigments I was mixing, and my wrist just really hurt, and I couldn't mix anymore, so they are all eye candy today, but I'll mix up some more pouring medium and make some other brands of pigments when I get a chance, but for a little while they might all be eye candies, and it's just because that's all I have mixed up. So I figured I would show you the mixed up pigments and then the dried on a piece of paper on the side in case you're interested in buying these. I like the colors I have today. I love this Oria gold that Michelle mixed up. It gives it a little Fairytale like look. You'll see in the end. I thought about not showing you this bloom because I'm so rusty on this that the composition is not great, and I added white, and I wish I didn't add white, but there's some things about it that I really liked, and hopefully you'll find something interesting in this one. See you at the end where you can see the painting in full sunlight and see the shine.